Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore the file upload question in a Google form. So you want your users to be able to upload a file as part of their form submission. So you insert a question, go to File Upload, give your question a title. I would always add a description. That can be a little bit longer, but it's not going to take up space in the response spreadsheet. Alright, so just asking the users to upload a specific file. So notice that you have a number of options right away. Do you want to allow only specific file types? If so, toggle it on, select the different file types that you want. All right, so let's say we'd be okay with a document, a PDF, a video, or a presentation. All right, that means the user will only be allowed to upload those types of files. Is there a maximum number of files you want the user to upload? You can choose between 1, 5, or 10, and you can select how big these files can be. Can it be 1 megabyte, 10 megabyte, 100 megabytes, 1 gigabyte, 10 gigabytes? So you can select the maximum size for these files. Now you'll notice down here, there's a little icon that says View Folder. And what will happen is these users will upload those files, and those files will all get saved to a Drive folder on the form owner's Google Drive. So if this is your form, it will be added to your Google Drive, and it will contain all of the files that people uploaded as part of responding to this form. Great way to use this in class, have students upload things. It'll be nice and organized in your Google Drive. You'll know exactly where to find those files. But you can allow students or users to upload files through a Google form, and then you'll be able to access those files as part of your information gathering.